Budgeting isn't what it used to be. Gone are the days of handwritten ledgers and piles of receipts. Today, managing money can be smarter, faster, and even a little fun. With the right tools and mindset, you can track every dollar, save more consistently, and feel confident about your financial future. Modern budgeting is about understanding your money, using technology to your advantage, and building habits that last. Let's start with the foundation: tracking every dollar digitally. Apps like Mint, YNAB, and Pocket Guard connect directly to your accounts, organizing transactions instantly so you always know where your money's going. Imagine seeing your entire month at a glance. No guessing, no surprises. Just a clear view of how you're spending and saving. If you spend $500 a month on groceries, digital tracking can break it down. $150 on produce, $200 on meal kits, $150 on snacks. That clarity helps you make smarter choices, maybe switching to a less expensive meal kit or trimming snack costs. The key is consistency. Checking your dashboard weekly keeps you aware and in control. Not all expenses are equal. Modern budgeting means categorizing them intelligently. Needs are essentials: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. Wants are dining out, subscriptions, entertainment. Savings cover your future goals. Most apps do this automatically, but tailor your categories to your lifestyle. If you work from home, add a home office section or separate business expenses. Say you spend $100 a month on coffee. Seeing that under wants shows its impact. Cut it to $50 and redirect $50 to savings. Categorization gives clarity. You're not restricting yourself. You're giving every dollar a job. Budgeting isn't just about managing money, it's about building a future. Clear saving goals keep you motivated. Suppose you want to save $2,000 for a summer trip in 6 months. That's about $333 per month. A digital goal tracker can do the math for you. Your app can create a vacation fund jar, automatically allocating money each week and sending friendly reminders to stay on track. Realistic pacing is key. If $330 feels tight, stretch the timeline or trim a smaller category. Flexibility makes savings sustainable. Technology makes adjusting goals effortless, and seeing progress visually keeps you inspired to keep going.
Now that you understand the principles, let's explore the digital tools that make budgeting effortless. Today's apps do far more than track spending. They analyze your habits, automate savings, and even predict your cash flow. Artificial intelligence has entered personal finance. AI-powered apps spot trends you might miss. They'll alert you when bills rise, when subscriptions renew, or when you're spending more than usual on takeout. Some even forecast your balance weeks ahead, helping you plan purchases without surprise overdrafts. Imagine getting a message that says, "You're on track to save $500 more this month." That's motivation that works. Prefer something hands-on? Digital templates and trackers keep things simple and customizable. They're perfect for beginners, clear, visual, and easy to update from your phone or laptop. A basic tracker lists each category, compares budgeted versus actual amounts, and shows what's left for the month. You can even turn those numbers into colorful charts for instant insight. Automation is where digital budgeting really shines. Apps like Digit, Qapital, and Chime move small amounts to savings without you noticing. Those tiny transfers add up, turning spare change into hundreds by year-end. When saving happens automatically, consistency becomes effortless. Even with great tools, the real secret to success is staying consistent. Schedule regular money check-ins, weekly for spending, monthly for big-picture planning. Compare what you planned to what you actually spent. The goal isn't guilt, it's awareness. Spot trends early, like a creeping food budget or unused subscription, and adjust before it hurts. Visual dashboards make this easy. Pie charts, progress bars, even emojis to mark wins. Life changes. Your budget should too. A new city, new job, or different income means updating categories so your plan stays realistic. If your car insurance goes up $50, tweak another category or look for ways to offset it. Flexibility keeps your budget sustainable. It's not about perfection, it's about adapting. Reminders are your accountability partner. Set alerts for bills, overspending, or goal progress so you never miss a beat. A message like, "You've spent 80% of your grocery budget," nudges you to plan meals wisely. These small prompts build long-term habits that feel natural, not restrictive.
You've built your foundation, tracking, saving, and reviewing. Now, let's go beyond the basics. A smart budget isn't just numbers, it's a roadmap to your real dreams. Whether it's buying a home, paying off loans, or building your emergency fund, link every dollar to purpose. When your money has meaning, motivation follows naturally. Remember the old envelope system, cash for groceries, gas, and entertainment? Now it's digital. Apps let you create virtual envelopes, automatically dividing funds into categories. When one jar runs low, you see it instantly and stop overspending before it starts. It's structure without restriction, a visual guardrail for your goals. Once your budget feels balanced, the next smart step is linking it to investments. Apps like Fidelity, Acorns, or M1 Finance connect saving with growth automatically. Imagine your budget not just managing money, but multiplying it. Automation keeps your financial system running while you live your life. Set your transfers once, then let your digital assistant do the rest. Less stress, more clarity. That's the power of smart automation. Technology gives you the tools, psychology gives you the staying power. Your habits and mindset decide whether you follow through or fall off track. Start with micro habits, 5-minute check-ins, daily balance peaks, and small celebrations. Each small win builds momentum. Before long, money management feels automatic. Humans are wired for rewards. Treat budgeting like a game, not a chore. Set fun milestones like a night out when you hit a savings goal. Positive reinforcement keeps motivation alive far longer than strict discipline alone. But beware of app fatigue. Too many tools can scatter your focus. Choose one main hub and stick with it. Simplicity equals clarity. Remember, your goal isn't to obsess over every cent, but to stay in control with ease. In this digital world, a smart budget is your ultimate blueprint for financial freedom. Use technology to make money management simple, automated, and stress-free. So what's your next step? Pick one app, set one goal, and start today. You don't have to be a financial expert, just consistent, curious, and intentional. A smart budget gives you power, peace, and purpose. Like this video and subscribe to Smart Money today to master modern budgeting.